Hello, everyone. Superior Stacker here today, guys. Guys, it's an amazing Friday. I'm happy it's a Friday for all of us that we have a work week. But the amazing things is in precious metals today. Gold at all new time high, hitting over $2,400 an ounce, which is incredible. And if silver were to follow as it should, normally it would be hitting new records as well, which the record is close to $50 an ounce, but it's not come close yet. So I believe it's still a good time to buy silver. But it is incredible to see gold hit its all new time highs, and I'm wondering how high will it get? Will it get to $2,500 an ounce today, or maybe next week, or will it pull back? It's been a crazy week for the metals, and in an incredible way. For those of you that have bought when it was cheaper, and some people might have been like, "What are you doing? That's overpriced." Well, look at it. You look at it now. You are actually ahead. I would hope on most of them, and especially the individuals that have bought many years ago. Even better. Same thing with silver. Of course, we have been here with silver, and I believe silver has a good climb to go still. So, it being $29 right now and 52 cents. That's pretty good. So, but it still has a good while to go to hit its all-time high and break that record of over $50 an ounce. I believe it hit $49 and some change back in 2011 and in the 80s when, those brothers were putting pressure on the silver market. Guys, gold, like I said, there's a lot of things going on out there right now in the world, financially and the geopolitical part of it. There's a lot of crazy things going on right now. There's a lot of uncertainty. People don't know what's going to be, and people are worried, and people see it. We all see it. We all see, in everyday life how things are getting more and more expensive, and it's kind of hard to trust what's going on in the economy, honestly. It's in my opinion, it's weak, it's not strong, it's inflated. But either way, the main thing we're here for is the metals, and why we're doing it is just to hold a tangible asset. This is real money here, guys. It's not something that can be printed. It's not, something that can be lost all of a sudden. It's here. We have it. We hold it. That's why we get it, and it gives us peace of mind to hold this. And the awesome thing about it is when it goes up, for a factor of, hey, we're making money, but at the same time, it kind of gets a little sad because we wish isn't it funny? We wish it was lower so we could buy more, but yeah, at the same time, we wanted to go up. Just the way we humans can be sometimes a little bit complicated, let's say. But some of the prices I'm seeing out there, guys, for 1/10 of an ounce, an average is of 272 for a 1/10. Of course, it might be a little more for a eagle, but that's the average right now going over there for, a 1/10 of an ounce of gold. Also, some interesting prices right now for a for a gold eagle, you'll be looking at like $24.90 out the door. For a maple, you're looking $24.80, and for a 1 ounce gold buffalo, you're looking a little bit over $2,500 in some areas. So it is incredible. You would have never guessed this 4 years ago. Like, oh, will it hit that price? You were always hoping. At the same time, you were also hoping to buy more. But it's crazy out there right now, guys. Those are crazy numbers to be going out to purchase some gold. But at the same time, it's holding its value. It's real money. You can always exchange it for fiat to pay if you have debt or some emergency come up. Here are some other prices on silver rounds out there, guys. Right now, you could get a silver round for close to $31.41 an ounce. An interesting price for a silver maple out there is $32.66 in some places. For the Eagle, 2024 Eagle, you'll be paying close to $34.41. But of course, with these prices and the way the market's going and keep going higher, and then this, supply and demand, they might go up higher. Also, for 90% silver, constitutional silver, we're looking at average prices out there for dimes. Believe it or not, dimes. This reminds me of 2011 when prices were over $2 easily for for silver dimes at one point. But right now they're $2.26. And for, a silver dime, it could be Mercury or Roosevelt, 90%. For quarters, you'll be looking an average of $5.66 out there, guys. That's pretty good. Not too long ago, we were paying $4.80 or somewhere around that ballpark. So it's amazing to think of where we're going. 50-cent pieces, you're looking at $11.33 out there to purchase. So it's a very interesting market right now. I was just wondering where it's going to go. And tell me, guys, are you guys buying? Are you guys just holding back? Are you trying to see if it'll, there's always a correction out there, always, but it hasn't really happened. I've seen a little bit of corrections, but I've not seen a actual correction or pullback on the metals yet. Even though I believe silver is still holding back, I think it might just skyrocket and hit an hopefully it hits an all new high. But again, that could also mean bad things for our economy, that it's really not good, because I remember in 2011, when it gets to that point, that means they cannot hide what's going on. And, the metals just skyrocket and they'll hold there for a while. So, but I still believe silver is still a good buy at the price it is. It still has a good way to go to its all new time high. Unlike gold hitting its all new time high, which is incredible. And some of the silver I believe that's good to buy right now would be, of course, the silver buffalo, silver rounds. You'll get, the cheapest price out there for these out there, guys. So you cannot go wrong. And also constitutional silver. If you want to get more silver, a good buy still, I believe, is 5-ounce and even 10-ounce bars out there, guys. And of course the 1. But you get good prices out there for the 5 and 10. It's a good buy. They're a good size. Look at how thick that is. It's a beauty. And of course, you can't go wrong with the ones I've just explained. I would probably, in my opinion, stay away. But it's all about preference from the some of the sovereign or collectible. Definitely the collectible. When it starts going up, you try to stick to the closest to spot, the cheapest for your buck. Or, So in moments like this is when regular rounds or bars is where it's at when the prices go up, because that's when you're gonna sell back. If you had to sell back, you're gonna get probably spot price unless something crazy goes on, and that's always very unpredictable. You never know, guys. It's hard to say, but the main thing is holding precious metals makes a difference in your life. You can't go wrong having this. It stays with inflation. It goes up, unlike our dollar or fiat currency, wherever you're at in the world. This right here is where it's at, in my opinion. As a prepper stacker, this is what holds its value. This is what's gonna preserve my wealth, and hopefully I never have to sell it. Hopefully I don't have emergencies where I have to liquidate this. But the benefit about this is just I can liquidate at any moment. I could go and sell it. People will buy it. Coin stores, they're always buying. I've never seen a coin store be like, oh, we're not buying any right now. We are full. Very few. I actually have never. Only pawn shops. But I always say go and sell. Go and sell to local coin stores, guys. That's where you'll get more closer to spot. And don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to ding on pawn shops, but I'm just saying you want to get, if you had to sell, you want to get as much as you can at a fair price. So that's why I say have a good reputation with your local coin store, guys. It always helps. And then you always know what they might be selling the most of, but always the most popular is rounds. They always will buy these. They are always selling these. So that's my favorite one to collect and stack. And of course, the Mercury dimes. My favorite constitutional coin right there, but can't go wrong with quarters, 50-cent pieces, or even Roosevelt dimes. Well, guys, you guys take care. Hope you have a good Friday, and happy stacking. Please subscribe and give it a like and share with friends. Have a good one. Until next time.